Hello, Donitz here, and today we're going to play some of Enlisted with my dear friend OnionKnight, or Pack 40. We're going to Berlin, railway bridge invasion as Volkssturm squads, and I'm going to be as my specialty Panzer IV. I'm going to kick so many soldiers with that Panzer IV that you'll be no. Whoa! What the fuck? Hello there. Hello. With my Panzer V. What the fuck? So, Panzer V. So, Panzer IV in the action. Look at that. I have good uniforms. And we're going over the mountains. Oops. A big tree. We hit a big tree. Big tree like... I don't see anybody. Quick. That was a quick point actually. Very quick. Ah, we're on attack. That's why. Yes, the Germans in Panzer. Ah, yes. Let's go. Schnell, guys. Hey, what am I doing? Okay, it looks like there's no tanks because nobody marked them. Ah, look at it. Fucking big tree. I'm going to destroy the vegetation around here. Ah, big enemy knife. Wait, that's OnionKnight. Hey, what? They couldn't destroy the tank. Dankeschön. Come on, Alexandre. What the hell? Oh, okay, this is going to be good. Look at yes, guys, see that? That's called Donitz special. Ah, I see. Catch that, bitch. Okay. I don't see any enemy tanks. Nowhere to be found. Just some enemies? Okay, no enemies for me as well, okay. Let's rush. Go, Panzer J. Panzer J, Commandant. Oh, don't destroy that. Oh, I was lucky. I'm not got me. Okay, let's go. We have Panzer. The train Panzer. Look at that. We got there a big tiger. Scheiße. That tiger is in danger. Hey bro. I don't think you're well, at least now. Oh my god. Scheiße, nein! Leave, 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 leave! Fuck, no legs, please. No legs. Thank you. No, fuck, I'm dead. I'm alive? Ooh, that scared me. That scared me, actually. Actually, did you want to know? No, you idiot! Hey, hello, guy. Okay, let's go. Come on. Ready? Okay, go, 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 go. Don't fall. Don't fall. Are you still up here? Okay, good, good, good. Hey, comrade. Oh, wait, he must have fell. Yes. Ah, he's still there. Okay, okay. Oh no. OnionKnight killed himself. See? 1 kill. Oh my god. Okay, okay, very. Let's go, Panzer. Ooh, get your head down. Okay, let's go. There's no enemy. Okay, no enemy spotted. Oh, okay. Come on, you don't know how to shoot? Hey! Beach. Okay, that's 1 kill. Oh, I was just lucky today. Hell no, you're not. Fuck you, you killed my driver. What the fuck? Who did kill my... Where? Shoot it! Shoot it! Ah, thank God. Eat this, eat that. Fuck, my Panzer got destroyed. My Panzer got damaged. What the f... Now, what the hell? Well, okay. Back to the tank. What the... Okay, let's stay in our perimeter. Perimeter? I think it's perimeter, right? This was a cool battle. With Donitz being the main hero. Look at that. Oh, wait. It's... Scheiße, nein! Die, bitch. Come on, guy. Oh fuck, I'm using anti-tank. Ah, what? What balls? You want some balls? Here, get my balls. My balls. Anyway, I think this was too quick. Regde. What the? Wait, regde. Ah. Let's add regde. If he will not accept in 5 seconds. Oh yes. My label squad. Áno, prídem za chvíľu. Okay, he didn't accept. Let's go. I did not destroy any tanks, but my Panzer IV survived to the end actually. That's good. If only he would accept. We will be 3 instead of 2. Good friends, good friends. Okay. Look at this. Good uniforms, good soldiers. We got Chad here. Okay. Meaning left button of destruction. Is he like there? Ah, he's there. Hey guys. I got my label squad. Prepare to die, everybody. For Deutschland. For Vaterland. Und Reich. Headshot. Well, that was not a headshot, but it was a kill. Good kill. Good kill. Ah, you had to move. Good kill. But fuck, you got me. Your gun was faster than my label. But this... What the fuck? Artyemovich. Ah, he died. Should be safe here. Ah, there's a good... so, if you're going to ever... You must know this trick. That you can go inside. If you are inside, you can easily defend. Like they're there. Wait, I see an enemy. Headshot. Oh, that was stupid. Here, die. Can you die too? Die. Die. Dankeschön. Dankeschön, Martin. Hey, OnionKnight. You're in a video. We're going to win. My label squad defending. Headshot. Well, almost got him. Oh, that was a close one. Headshot. Okay. Okay, that's an assist. Okay, okay. Fuck. Good. Ah, fuck. Fuck me, fuck me. My fault, my fault. It was my fault. Guys, like, they are coming from there. The enemy is literally in the windows. Oh, fuck me. Oh, yes, got his leg. You, Artem, it's you again. Oh, he's dead. But you know what's dead? You're not dead. You're not dead. Ah, fuck. Almost got the bomb. So, this is my main squad. My main info. Don't get stuck now. Attack for the Vaterland und Deutschland. So, I don't have a sword, which is sad. And I don't see so many Soviets. But that's a good kill, I think. Yes. Why you do? Why you think? I don't know. Where the so? Hey, Soviet. That was a headshot and a headshot. I wonder how they going to implement, you know, this gun. Ah, this man has the officer German sword. Look at that. Volkssturm charging. Okay. Let me see if I can somebody kill. Well, what? I can't even speak now. Drink water. Lie down. I see an enemy. Charge! Oh my, you do papa! I can't speak. Hello. First of all, that was unnecessary, Mr. Tank. Ah, come on! Ah, fuck you, Nick Tosik. I mean, Nicky Tosik. So, you want to see pain? I'll give you pain. With my Panzer J is the most skillful tank in the entire of the game. It can one-shot an IS-2 or Joseph Stalin 2. Need enemy coordinates. Panzer J. Oops. Is on the field. Yes, Panzer IV is on the field. Yeah, I'm not really playing seriously. I'm just, you know. Well, I'm kinda playing seriously, but no. Well, it's just skill. The best second tank. First Tiger. Third King Tiger. It's a superiority complex. Why? I don't see any enemy tanks. This has to be some kind of trap. Scheiße! Okay, I think I hit it. Scheiße, 9. Look at it. Look at. Scheiße. Okay. Yes! Look at it! It's not useless. No, don't leave the tank. Don't leave the tank. Switch. One-shotted. T-34, boy. One-shotted. Not so useless after all. What the fuck? You see? Not so useless. Not so useless, guys. Not so useless. The one who's useless. Wait, Panther. Panther is a great tank as well. Well, anyway, OnionKnight, I will be going now. See you in the next video, Onion. And my viewers, I will see you in the next video too. So, enjoy and bye-bye.